I like it. That's what you got. It's fair. We did it first. It's fair.
No, it's not.
It's fair.
I don't care if it's fair. I don't care. I don't care. It's fair.
I'm like, it's fair.
In 400 meters, you will arrive at your destination.
It's almost the other way.
Okay, stop.
It's one V.
Okay, let's do like this. Okay, whatever. That was not that bad.
That's relaxing. I don't even have it.
ലീല അവിടെ പോയിട്ടുണ്ട്, അതാണ് ചോദിച്ചത് എന്തിനു സ്വിഫ്റ്റ് പോവാണെന്നായിട്ട്.
I don't know. It's just relaxing.
You have arrived. You have arrived.
ലീല
You have arrived എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ ഇവിടെ എത്തിയിരുന്നു. ഇതാണ് നമ്മുടെ സ്ഥലം. അതാണ് ഉദ്ദേശിച്ചത്.
ഓക്കെ